Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Get ready for the prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start the prayer. Assembly, come to your initial position. Get ready for the pledge. Take position. India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Assembly, stand at ease.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Panchali of course Science School Girl 6. Teachers, the third of the day is coming together, is beginning Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ramesh Singh Guru. Course Sainik School, Gorakhal 6th. Today, news headlines are as follows. First, some international news. China waits and watches on Sri Lanka Chinese. Second, not speaking independent but meaningful autonomy for Tibet, says the Dalai Lama. Now, some national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called on President Ram Nath Kovind at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Second, for the age group 18 to 59, precautions doses will be available for free at government centers from 15 July. At last, some sports news. Sri Lanka named 18 members squad for Pakistan Test. Second, England versus India. Kohli returned for second ODI after missing series opener due to injury. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Today, the topic of my speech is Olympic Games. The Olympic Games were held for the first time by the Greeks in 776 BC on Mount Olympus in honor of the Greek god Jesus. They were stopped by a royal order of the Roman Emperor Theodosius in AD 934. These games were revived in 1894 by the efforts of a French baron, P.D. Coubertin, and the first modern Olympic Games were started in Athens, the capital of Greece. On 6 April 1896, separate Winter Olympic Games began in 1924. Women have been participating in the Olympic Games since 1912. Thank you, courtesy guided Partbird, Course Sainik School, Gorakhal 6th. Have a nice day.
Scout clap for the speech. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good morning, everyone. The word of the day is artful. Hindi meaning chatur. Part of a speech. Adjectives, synonyms, crafty. Antonyms, honest. Meaning performed with or showing art or skill. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Assembly attention. Staff members turn towards the flag. Now get ready for the national anthem. Start the national anthem. Get ready for the slogan. Take positions. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Bharat Mata ki. Come to your initial position. Staff members, break off. Teaching staff, break off. All cadets about turn. Break off.